All right, so let's talk about sets in Python here. Now, what is a set exactly? It's a collection without any sort of duplicates. So in a typical list or something, you could have many duplicates, but in a set, you are not able to do so. The other thing you want to keep in mind is that sets are unordered, so you cannot access them like you may in some sort of list with like the bracket notation like that. So you wouldn't be able to get a certain item out of a set like you would in a list like that. All right, so now that we kind of have the definition down, let's show you how we might create a set. So let's say we have create set like this as our variable. And then we're going to use these curlies like this, and we'll just say 2, 4, 6 like that. And that is a set. So if we print out create set like that, go ahead and save that and run that. You can see we get our set here below. So that's basically how you would create a set. Let's copy this or comment this out below. Now, what if we want to transform a list into a set? So let's say we had a list like that there. Now you can see we have duplicates right here, so keep that in mind because that'll be important in a sec. So then we wanted to create a set out of this. So we can say new set like this, and this is just the variable name. There's no importance. You can call that whatever you want. And then we're going to use this keyword, which is set like that, and then we're going to pass in the nums, which is this array or list in Python right here. So we're passing in that list to the set keyword, and then we can come down here and we can just print out that new set like that. And let's go ahead and save that and run this. And you can see we get this set back right here. Now you'll notice, like I just talked about, there's only a single 4 in there because there's no duplicates allowed. So that's one way to transform a list with duplicates into a set without duplicates, basically. All right, so we can also do unions with sets. So let's go like this, and we'll just say set union like this. So we have this. Let's comment this out right here, and then let's come down below here, and we'll just print out this set union like this and save that. Now, when we run this, we get these different values here. So any value that is either in this set here, this new set that we created, or this one will be printed. So that's all our different values here. And again, no duplicates. So we only have 1, 4 instead of 3 right there. Okay, so that is the OR. Now let's get rid of this again. And if we come back down here, we can do other things as well. So again, like all the different functions, we can go and like this, and save that and run that. And that will give all the values back that are in both. So for us, that's just a 4 in both of these. So that is good. And then let's try some other ones. We can go the minus like this. So 1 minus the other. And we get back 2 and 6 here. So we have the 2 and 6. That is the only ones that are not this create set, which is right here, minus this new set right here. So that is that. And then finally, we have the little caret right here. So we can run this. So you can see we get back these values here. Now this is going to return either the values that are in one or the other, but not both. All right. All right. So hopefully that's helpful. Some different ways you might be using sets. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.